Okay. So you can add, you can just, so similar to list, you can ask length of each tuple, length of days, and you can ask to print length of days 2, days 3, days 4, and days 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and it will give the length, number of elements in this tuple. Right? You can read, count, that is okay. Here, first 3 tuples, you have 7 elements, next 2 tuples, 0 elements. It's giving the answers. Means you can ask length of the tuple. So that is valid. And you can print the elements of the tuple. So similar to the list එකක් වගේම අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන්. So print days. I need the 0th day. Day 0. So what is the day 0? Yes. What will be the output of day 0? Yes. Sun. S-U-N. Day 0 is sun. Yes, it is the first one. You can see sun is given as the output. So you can print the elements, or you can print the element ranges. Element ranges means you can print something like this, that will print the entire range, and you can print empty colon, that will also print the entire range. Here, see, this first one, second one, printing the same, entire range is printed, because you have not given the starting position, ending position. And if you ask starting position, ending position, starting position blank, ending position blank, if you ask to go -1 by -1, you can see it's printing within the reverse order. Right? Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. The reverse order. It's reversing. All these are similar to the list. And you can even print the negative indexes. -6. What is -6 of days? -6 of days 2. Days 2, -6. What is the value? Can you remember how negative indexes are there? Positive indexes are going like this, right? Positive indexes are going from 0 to, this is the positive index. The positive index 0, and then positive index 1, then positive index 2, then positive index 3, positive index 4, positive index 5, positive index, positive index 5, positive index 6. These are the positive indexes. Negative indexes. Hello guys, I'm asking from you. I'm sorry to ask questions, but I'm asking because I'm also feel bored. Right.
Sat is negative index 1.
Sorry?
Sat is negative index 1.
Yeah, set is -1. Set is -1. And then you have, okay, here the set is -1. And -2 is Friday. -4 is, sorry, -3 is Thursday. -4 is Wednesday. -5 is Tuesday. -6 is Monday, and -7 is Sunday. So I'm asking -6. -6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is Monday. Right? So both positive and negative indexes supported. It supports both positive and negative indexes. You see here. So if you ask to print the negative index, it's printed Monday. Okay, it supports the other operations other than adding elements, other than changing elements, all reading methods. That means you can access from these, and you can access as a range, you can access a reverse order, you can access positive index or negative index, and you can also access stepping. Stepping means starting from 1, go up to the final element, length of days, So go up to length of days 2 by 2. Then what are the elements will be printed? The last line. What is the results of last line? Yes, result of last line. Okay, let's say who's going to tell this? I'm asking to start from 1 and asking to go up to the length of days 2 by 2. Yes. Anyone? No one.
Sun, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday.
Sun, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Are you sure sun will be added? Because I'm starting from what?
Monday.
It should be Monday. Yeah, Monday, Wednesday, Wed, and Friday.
Right.
Yeah, that is the output. Because starting from 1, right? This is 0, this is 1. Starting from 1, going 2 by 2. Okay, no harm giving answers, right? Just give it a try. Here you can see Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, you can suggest. So these are the outputs of this, and please write down this in your book and also write down the outputs, relevant outputs. I'm going to write the relevant outputs in the front, right here. It's 7. This is also 7, and this is 0. This is comment, right? Hashtag and comment. Comments will not be printed. Comments are just given to explain this. Sun will be the answer, and if you're asking this, print in this, and same here, but reverse here. Here it will be printed in the reverse, and this is -6 is month, and then here you are getting month, Wednesday, and Friday. That is the last line. Okay, I'll give you something innovative. Maybe this can be, so most probably this will be exam questions, right? So be ready. Innovative exam question. I'm asking something like this. Days 3, and I'm going to give blank blank -1. Then I'm giving 2 -2 2. Okay, so can anyone tell me the answer? So without typing, if you can do this, it's great. And finally 0. This might be exam question. This can be there in the list වලින් අහන්න පුළුවන්, tuple වලින් අහන්න. බොහෝ දුරට exam එකේ එන්න පුළුවන් question. Okay, I'm giving you the chance to try. මේක ලියා ගන්න ගමන්ම ලියන ගමන්ම try එකක් දෙන්න, ලියන ගමන් කරලා බලන ගමන් try එකක් දෙන්න. හැබැයි මේක කරලා බලලා උත්තරේ කියන්න එපා. Without doing that, if you can give the answer, you're super. That means you have understood the concept properly. Otherwise, still you are in your kind of kindergarten level. So just give a try to go to grade 1 without being at a kindergarten level. Okay, I'll promote you to grade 1 if you can answer this. Without typing this, right? If you type this, you will get the answer. But that is not what I need. I need the answer for this without typing. Just by imagining or just by using your mind. Try to do this. After writing this, please write down this with the results. Please write down this in your book also. And give the answer for the last one. Just give a try. Right, only one has sent the given a try. So how this happened? So first of all, it will take the days tree. Days tree means this one in the reverse order. Reverse order. Days tree reverse order according to this. That is this list. Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. That is the reverse order. From that reverse order list, you are starting from 2. Reverse order list decame patangana. That means 0, 1, 2. And going up to -2. -2 means this -1, -2. Starting from 0, 1, 2. And going up to -2, -1, -2 here. 2 by 2. Going 2 by 2. That means Q is taken. This is skipped. THU is taken. THE is taken. So that is after that the result is this. THU and THE. Right? That is the result. From that, the 0th item is print. 0th item is, what is the 0th item? It is THU. Okay, so if you have given the answer THU, yes, one tried 3 and given. So 2 has tried and 1 has given THU. That is the correct answer. But hopefully you have not tried this in the because in the exam you can't do like that, right? So what will happen is this. So if you want, I can explain step by step. Okay, the step-by-step explanation is first take this one. Second, take this one up to this extent. Third, that is this one. That is this one, right? First test this one. From that you take this one. From that you take this. So this is how you can access list, inside list. So list. From this list or from the tuple you can generate another tuple. From that tuple you can generate another tuple. From that tuple you can generate another tuple. Likewise, you can continue to do that. Okay, let's run this. And you can see THU is the output. And as the first one, you get the reverse one. The second one, from the reverse one, you start from 2 and go in 2 by 2 and stop before -2. -2 means this one, -1, -2. Method enna kalin navattana. That means this one and this one will be taken. From that, the 0th item is this one. So likewise, exam එකේ තපලන්න පුළුවන් ඈ. පටලලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්. එහාට මෙහාට කරලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්. So be ready for the exam questions like this also. Okay, so you can write down the answer now and please explain how it comes, right? So my explanation is first IRST, it will give reversed list of days tree. From the reverse list, it will take given range from 2 to -2, step in 2 by 2. 2 to -2, step in 2 by 2. From that list, 0th item is taken. From that list, 0th item is taken, and that is how this result is generated. Okay, first you will get the reverse list. From that, you will get the selected items. That is the second step. From that, you will get the final item, that is THU. This is how you access the item. Okay, I think now you have a good idea about accessing lists, accessing tuples. Only difference in the tuple is read only, list is editable or mutable, tuple is immutable, tuple is not editable. Now please write the heading, the third one, that is dictionary. Third one is dictionary. Dictionary includes key value pairs. Dictionary includes key value pairs. It is compulsory to give a key as, it is compulsory to give a key as, it is not zero index based. It is not zero index based. Example, we can define a dictionary like this. Okay, I'll show you an example. Please write down this. While writing this, I'm going to edit this example. I'm going to take a new file. I'm going to save this file as file, save as dictionary example, dic example.py. I'm going to erase everything. Now I'm going to write my own dictionary, that is, let's say, person. And about the person, I'm going to write details. Using curly braces, name, let's say, Amali, and age is 20. Gender is female. And subject 1, she got 78 marks. Subject 2, she got 89 marks. And subject 3, she got 90 marks. So let's say this is about Amali. Right, you can print person, that is the dictionary, person's keys of Amali. Then you can print person values of Amali. So let's see the result. I'm going to run this. And you can see what is that, Amali not defined. Yes, sorry, that's Amali. Name within quotation should be Amali, right? So, okay, integers you can give here, dict keys, dict values, dict keys and dict values. Okay, then how we are going to print a value? You can say, so if you say person 0, you get nothing. Because this is not zero base. You can't print like that. Here it will give an error 0. But if you give person 1, you will get. Now don't tell me because it is not 0 base, it is 1 base. No, because I have given that one. 1 කියලා key එකක් දුන්න හින්දා තමයි ආවේ. 0 කියලා key එකක් දුන්නා නම් if I gave a key like 0, yes, it will be printed. Given keys only. I can ask, okay, what is the name of person? Then it tells it's Amali. The name of the person is Amma. Age of the person, gender of the person, one of the person. One of the person means the marks one. Two of the person, three of the person. Likewise, I can. So keys can be anything, right? Keys can be anything, means integer or string. Keys can be integer or string. To that string. So what about float? Can you use a float as a key? So something like this. 5.6 is 90.7. Okay, let's try. Can you use such key? When you run this, you can see it's running. If I ask, okay, tell me person 5.6, and you can see it is 90.7, right? That means as a key, you can give any value. Even a floating point value, you can give as a key. No restrictions over that, right? You can give string, numbers, integers, floats, anything you can give as a key. And you have to assign a value to that. Okay. Unlike this list and tuples, if you are trying to print, so let's say for element in person, I'm going to print the elements. Print E. So what is your expectancy? What do you think? What will be printed? Will it be printed or error, or what will be printed? Any idea? You can always tell your idea, right? Idea එකක් නෙමෙයි උත්තරයක් නෙමෙයි ඇහුවේ. Idea එකක් ඔයාලට හිතන එක කියන්න මොකක්ද print වෙන්නේ. මෙහෙම print කරොත් මොනවා print වෙයිද? Will it be values or keys or something else? Yes, please. Come on, don't waste the time. So just guess and tell me what you'll get. So if you give this in tuple or list, all the elements will be printed. Tuples wala hari, list wala hari dunna nan, all the elements will be printed. Right, let's open. If you are not sure about that, this is open. Let's open them. Sure now again, no something if you give this in a tuple for element or maybe for k in the days, okay, in days print k, you are asking to print the kth element. And if I run this, so related to tuple, you can see from Sunday to Saturday, all from Sunday, this is the last statement, from Sunday to Saturday, everything will be printed. So that is in list or tuples, this work in this way. Or if you give like this, or you can give the other way for j in range, you have to start from the 0 and you have to tell the length of days. So this is the second mechanism. Range, then if you print j, it will print the index. So I'm going to end this using comma, right? Otherwise, like it is printing what down, no? Let's end using space. Here also I'm going to end using space. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තේරෙන්නේ නැති මොනවා හරි තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න පුතේ. හරි නැත්නම් නිකන් බලන් ඉන්න එක තේරුමක් නැහැ. මොනවා හරි දෙයක් තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. For k in days, for j in range days. So let's print, and the first one is printing. Here you can see first one is printing the days, second one is printing indexes. If you need a gap between the first one and the second one, let's print second. Then you have a gap. After the first one, then the second. Let's put it a new line. Okay, the first one, second, and this is the second. The second one indexes. If you want to print the item using index, you can still use days jth item. days, jth item. J will be 0th item, first item, second item, then you can print the, these are the two loops you can use. Right here. Now you can print the items. If you just put J, it will print the index, but jth item will print the item. So these are the two loops, two possible loops to print the items. Okay, that is for tuples. I'm asking whether I'm going to print like this or I'm going to print like this for, let's say, for J in range 0 to length of the dictionary person. I'm going to print J. What will happen? What will happen in the first loop? What will happen in the second loop? Yes. Okay, since you guys are angry with me without talking, so you all stay without talking means I assume that you all are angry with me. So therefore I'll do it, right? I'll not ask the question. Because when I ask questions, you don't like to come to the class. Right, you can see here the first loop. First loop is printing. So what it is printing? Okay, so just comment this, otherwise cannot find the difference between these. Just commenting this and running this again. Now you can see the first loop is printing name, age, gender. What are they? Name. Print name.
Values.
Is it values or keys? Name is a key.
Keys.
Keys. Name, age, gender, 1, 2, 3, 5.6. These are the. Then I'm telling for J in range 0 to length of this, print J. Then what? 0 to 6. What are they? Indexes? No, you don't have indexes, right? You don't have indexes. If I try to access like person J, it will give an error because you don't have such indexes, right? Indexes නෙමෙයි පෙන්නන්නේ බිඳුවේ ඉඳන් length එක වෙනකන් බිඳුවේ ඉඳන් length එක ගන්න ඕනේ length එක ගන්න පුළුවන් length of this is how many items. Okay, if I print length of dictionary, length of person, it says how many items. ඒක පුළුවන් එයාට ගන්න. ඒ හින්දා බිඳුවේ ඉඳන් ඒ number එක වෙනකන් නිකන් අගයන් ටික print කරගෙන යනවා. That's all. 0 to 7, just print in the values. That's all, right? Nothing else. Here you can see the first one is printing. So after that, this is the second one. I'm keeping some spaces. So let's keep some spaces. Print new line. After that, the length. After that, again a new line. Let's run this and you can see. Okay, here 7. 7 can make a length, just the length. Then it's from 0 to 7. It's just like a loop. 0 to 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is not the index, right? That is just the value. Just the value. Value means like 0 to 7. Make a නිකන් හරියට මේ වගේ loop එකක් කවුරු හරි දුන්නා වගේ for sum for n in range. නිකන් loop එකක් දුන්නා වගේ 0 to 7. 0 to 7. I'm telling, okay, print. Yes. So something like this. Just printing numbers from 0 to 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is it. And it's not printing indexes, right? Don't misunderstand. This is not printing indexes. Here also, it's printing the keys. But if you need the value, you can say person, then the E. This is how you get values in the, right, in the dictionary. Now you'll get the other one here, Amali, female. Okay. Right, this is the first thing is, okay, I'm going to add this part in this code. So please write down this in the dictionary. This is printing keys. Print in all keys. This is print in values. Use in keys. So this one is print in keys. This is printing. This is to print an element. Okay, so please write down this example to the list. That is for the dictionary. Sorry, that is for the dictionary. So if this is not clear, please use this and write.